Hi friends, today we will be discussing about a disclaimer which we will see in mutual fund advertisements in social media or in print media. It is actually mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully. So what are these? There are 5 words in this. There are mutual fund, investments, market, risks, and scheme related documents. What are all scheme related documents? All these things. What is these 5 things we will discuss. First thing, mutual fund. Mutual fund is a vehicle where it will pool all this money from the investing public and use that amount for purchasing of our securities, bonds, or other asset classes or investment avenues. So what is investment then? Investment is different types of asset classes. Asset classes means there are equity, debt, real estate, and commodities. Different types of asset classes are there. Investment, these are all called investment avenues available in the market. So what is market? Markets are different. Markets are there. There are, if stock you want, stock market, bond market, commodities market, or currency market. So many markets are there which you can invest. And what is risk? Risk is called actually it is the uncertainty. It is defined as uncertainty regarding the future outcome and also deviation from the expected results. What is deviation? Is whatever you are expecting, the outcome, it is deviating from your expectations. So it is called risk. So not taking risk is also a risk. So risk cannot be avoided. Market risk is also called it is called systematic risk, where it cannot be avoided. It affects all the industries, all the constituents of the market. So you have to deviate or diversification. You have to diversify your portfolio to mitigate that market risk. And what are the scheme related documents then? Scheme related documents are three. There are 3 documents. One is SID, it is called scheme information document. Second one is SCI, means statement of additional information. And KIM is called key information memorandum, where in the scheme information document the newly launched scheme or the scheme related information, all the information regarding the scheme will be given. And regarding the mutual fund, all the schemes, and there are whatever the different what you call risks involved in the investments, what is the fees, what are the different charges it is involved, and who is the fund manager. These are all the information will be given in the statement of additional information. And all the schemes information will be given in the statement of additional information. And KIM, key information memorandum, is the gist of all these things. Gist of above two means the scheme key information memorandum will be given along with the application to the investor. So the investor, what he will actually, and along the application will be seeing is the total whatever is given in the SID and SCA. So these are all the things which we have to actually aware of. So thank you for watching this video, and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.